don't get to do that.
Well, I've never been under arrest, so I don't know.
Well, what do you think would happen when handcuffs are put on you?
But
Does that mean that I get to go play and run around? No.
Hey, where are you? Your kids.
Right there. We just want to have a good spring break.
There you go.
Pulling a gun on a crowded beach, losing your children while taking a nap. How about arguing with a police officer? These are things you should not be doing while on spring break. We're taking a look at 5 times Florida spring breakers ended up spending part of their vacation behind bars. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. We begin today's episode in Martin County, Florida in March 2024. A large group of people have gathered on boats out at Stewart's Sandbar. An officer on patrol notices one woman pouring a drink for someone that he believes is under the age of 21.
How old are you?
25.
You're 25. How old are those 3 girls?
I don't know. I just hopped on a boat with them.
How old do you think they are?
I'm younger than 21.
Okay, then why would you pour them a cocktail?
I'm not pouring them a
You actually did. You poured it into the green Solo cup,
This
and
is
then
mine.
no, you poured it into the green Solo cup, and then you handed it to the girl in the black bikini. I watched the entire time. Why would you do that?
I did not do that.
Okay, why would you do that?
Who's holding it?
Okay, it's in the cup holder when they saw me spin around. So my question to you again is, I watched you pour from the Tito's bottle into the green Solo cup.
And
Hold
who's
on.
holding the cup?
Hold the green Solo cup that you handed to the girl in the black. Why would you do that?
I did not pour.
Yes, you did. Why would you do that?
I only poured this
No,
in this
you
cup.
didn't. No, you didn't. Why would you do that?
Yes, I did.
Why would you do that?
I didn't.
You did. So go grab your ID, and you're under arrest for possession of alcohol and for providing a minor alcohol.
I did not even
you
do
did.
that.
I'm not blind. I watched you do it.
Do you have it on videotape?
Go get your license before I put
Do you have it on videotape?
Go get your license for the last time.
Oh my God. Maggie, relax. Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, what happened, sir?
Go away. Go get your ID.
While the woman identified as Maggie McDougal goes to find her ID, others start questioning the deputy.
You're gonna give her a ticket?
Yes.
Well, you can't arrest her.
Yes, I can.
You can, but don't do
I can.
We're just having fun.
I don't care.
What happened?
I don't
wanna know what
I don't
happened.
need your help. Go get your ID.
Excuse me, that's my daughter. And
I
wanna know
don't
what happened.
care who she is. She's over the age of 18. She can talk to you after I'm done.
Well, so we'll get a lawyer, and I want to know
You're
what
more than
happened.
welcome to get yourself a
Right
lawyer.
now.
Go get one.
What happened?
None of your business.
She gave underage alcohol.
Who?
I don't know. Something I just overheard.
I'm not here to argue with you, and I'm not here to
Why
fight
not?
with
I
you.
just want to know what's happening.
She provided alcohol to 3 minors.
How do you know she's underage? Do you know she's underage?
You don't think those 3 girls are underage?
I could think that.
Okay.
Sure.
Would you like me to prove it?
What if she's not?
Young lady in the black. How old are you? Yes. There we go. She's 15.
Alright, I didn't know. Alright, just find her a ticket.
I have every intention of it, but I'm not going to argue with everybody here on this sandbar.
I mean, that's your job, you know what I mean?
If she doesn't come over here within the next 30 seconds, I'm putting her in jail.
I'll go here.
Hurry up. Get your ID.
Things are taking longer than the deputy would like, and he's fed up.
No, we're done. No. I'm done.
Give her a minute.
Excuse me.
Come on, dude.
You have to wear a license. You have
Okay.
to wear it for your permit.
She's getting her ID, man.
Sure I can. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
No,
Come on.
officer, stop.
Come on.
dude.
Come on. Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my
Come
ID?
on. I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
For real. Here, like a.
Come on, man.
Can I just get my ID?
Serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? Are you
He's
serious?
not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing her because it was in her possession at the time that I took her in
If it was, then why don't you let you give her the purse?
Go.
Wait,
Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the...
Come on, let's go.
Can you...
Come on.
Where's the...
Do not.
Excuse me.
Just don't.
You're under arrest now too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm
swear to
telling
God,
you
my
right
daughter's right
now, you
here.
are under arrest also.
Please stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. You are not doing anything wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you I'm not doing
Climb up.
anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Go up.
Do not.
Stop.
Stop fighting him. Stop fighting
Stop.
him.
Please stop.
You're acting
Hey,
weird.
stop
Go.
My daughter's here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
Yep.
You're doing too much, dude.
Right now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step
Ladies,
up.
I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We want
fucking
a
touch
female
her.
officer now. A female officer right now. Just stay up
Go
there. Stay
up.
up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go
A
up.
female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No,
Call him
female
right now. I want
officer.
All the way over.
Listen,
All the way
I
over.
wanna go with them.
All the way over.
With them.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
Be on the boat.
Bro.
All the way to the back of the boat.
I don't even know what happened.
Right now, dude.
Sit.
No, call him. Call him. Before you
Get off.
Hey,
Get off.
I'm gonna call 911 right now.
Go ahead.
I am.
Go
Call
ahead.
your captain right now.
I don't have a cap.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. Good.
Come on, bro. Hey, call 911. Call 911 right now. Call him. Where you going, bro?
He has it.
Because I can.
Oh,
Thank
you
you.
can?
I did.
Oh, why?
I did.
Why you
Just
can't do it,
stop.
dude?
Guys, just stop. Just stop. Stop. Just
Why you
Just
grabbing
stop.
shit?
We want a
away.
female
Okay.
officer.
Why?
We want a
Because you
female
can't do it, bro.
Go sit back down.
We want a female
Go sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
we want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
A female officer right now. Right now.
What's that?
5 minutes to get your ID, bro. Hey, hey.
500 Sylvester, Mark Johnson Meadow.
Martin Highway in Contact.
From Martin Highway, Meadow.
Stay there.
Once the two women are on the boat and away from the other people at the sandbar, the deputy goes over everything with them again.
You're under arrest for interference. Okay. You're under arrest for providing alcohol to a minor and resisting arrest. And you're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
I'm sorry.
And escape. Because when I put you on the boat, you jumped off and tried to hide.
I just have a question for you, though.
Sure.
What did she do in the first place?
She provided alcohol to a minor.
But I didn't.
You did. I'm not gonna. This isn't an argument for you.
Do you
This
have
is.
that on camera?
Like, sir,
No.
it's my 15.
Okay.
I just want to
Okay,
tell you
stop.
something.
How are you going to prove that?
What do you mean? I watched you do
I
it.
did not even.
We're
But you did.
adopting a kid.
But you
Are
did.
We're adopting
kidding
that
me?
kid that you're doing this to.
Okay, but I didn't do it.
didn't ask
I swear, but I want
You,
Please
when
don't
I took
play.
her, off the boat,
Because I
you
just
pulled
wanted-
that from me and then snatched from me. So
I'm-
that doesn't work. That's the end of the day.
You're right.
Okay, that's the end of the day.
But I have a question
It's a
for
simple
you.
ticket, and you would have been on
But I
your
have a
way.
question for
But
you.
you want to acerbate
But I
that
have a question
situation.
for
There
you.
is no questioning.
I know.
Okay, you want to acerbate. You want to deny. You don't want to come back to the boat. Guess what? I don't
Listen.
care what any of those people
Can
think.
I ask you one question?
Okay, so here's the deal.
You saw. Listen.
Yes, I
Can
saw
speak?
you.
Can I speak?
Yes.
I was going to get my ID.
No, you were procrastinating, and I actually sent somebody over to get there. He told you to come in and get your boat. Come bring your ID.
I was going
You
to get my
continued.
ID.
You continued to the point where I was able to get my ladder, get off my boat, walk to your boat. You still weren't in your bag.
Did you not hear me asking her where she put my purse?
So-
I don't know where I put my.
I had the purse.
She put her purse.
I had her purse in my bag.
I don't know where she put my purse.
Okay.
So all it took me was if you could not bear 5 minutes.
No, it was
for
my
me to
fault.
get
I
my
had her
ID.
purse.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
No, but
It
I'm
doesn't
telling you
matter.
something.
When I tell you that you're under arrest and I put handcuffs on you, you don't get to keep pulling away. You don't get to keep fighting me. You don't get to do that.
Well, I've never been under arrest, so I don't know.
Well, what do you think would happen when handcuffs
I
are put on you?
understand, but you
Does
asked
that
me-
mean
you-
does that mean
listen,
that I get to
listen.
go play
Can
and
you-
run
can you
around?
Let me talk 1 second.
No.
Listen. You asking to get my ID.
Yes.
Okay? I was getting you my ID, and then you came over to the boat.
Yes.
Didn't let me provide you my ID.
You were given ample opportunity to get it. You decided that you were going to argue with everyone there and try to plead your case. So here's the deal.
Okay,
So you're under
listen,
arrest.
listen.
Here, this is the end of the problem, all right? As soon as my partner gets over here, I'm going to get life jackets on you and we're going to the gym.
Okay.
Okay? Everybody understands that? Okay.
Despite the deputy explaining why he took them into custody, McDougal and the other woman, Jessica Vanotti, still have questions.
Do you have proof of that, though?
Of what?
Of her? I don't know.
Yeah, I
I'm
watched.
asking you a question.
I
but you
watched.
I
answered
didn't
me.
do anything.
You did.
No, I did not.
But you did.
Okay.
Stand up for me.
Yes, sir.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Actually, let's put your vest on first.
I'm literally a trauma ICU nurse. Like, really?
Then you know better, don't you? You know better than to come snatching stuff from a cop and then try to pull away from him and then jump off a boat after he's put you in custody and tells you to sit down, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I have so much to lose right now.
Okay, all the way on the ground, not on the seat, because we're gonna take a transport. So I need you on the ground of the deck.
Sorry. What do you
On the deck.
do?
On the deck.
Sit?
Sit. Yep. All the way down. Stand up.
Can I ask you one question?
Sure.
You have cameras on this, right?
No.
Okay.
That camera's on me.
So
Turn around. Turn around. See, this is again. We don't listen. We don't listen to instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never fed anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
but
I
that's
did
okay.
not. Okay.
I'm gonna take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved.
Turn around for me.
Just sit on the floor, that way we get back safely.
534.
I'll be having two parking problems. Stewart Beach.
10-4, 534. That was parking problem.
Put your hat back on for you.
I don't need it. Thank you.
Well, it's the only way it's gonna make it back with you is if
I'll
it's on.
hold it. Thank
You're
you.
not gonna hold it. You got handcuffs on here in a second.
It's fine.
Is it going to stay in my head now?
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna go very fast.
15 is 5.
Okay, all the way down like your mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please. On your butt.
I like wow.
Well, you're the one who told me that you were her mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
I just have a question.
Sure.
I don't understand. You don't have cameras or anything. I was just making a drink for myself.
Okay. It's your lie. You tell it any way you want.
Okay. I don't understand how you can say it was a lie. First of all, you don't have cameras, and I never said a drink to anybody under the age of 21.
57 Delta Tango Victor Goose.
Camera.
Yeah? So then if you have proof, go ahead and show it. You said you
That's for your defense attorney, not me.
The deputy then circles back around about whether the women are related.
You don't remember telling me that that was your daughter?
I think my daughter was on the phone.
No. You said when you came up to me screaming at me and when I told her to go get her ID that she was your daughter and you wanted to know what was going on. You demanded to know what was going on. You don't remember that?
I said I have a 6-year-old daughter.
No.
You're not, I'm her age. Why did I say anything like that?
I don't know. That's why I told her she could sit next to her mom.
I promise you, I'm her.
Charlie, one back, corner, please.
Well, that's not why you're under arrest, but I'm just saying that's why you're under arrest for your behavior.
I'm sorry, but I.
And what am I under arrest for?
Your behavior.
Of what? What is my behavior?
Awful.
Was it?
Yes.
Because you asked me to get you my ID. So I went.
No, I told you you were under arrest. Go get your ID. There's a difference.
Correct. You didn't pull out your handcuffs. You asked me to get you my ID.
Because I was going to write you a summons, yes.
Correct. You asked me to get you my ID.
Yes.
So what did I do?
You
I
didn't,
went on my
you
boat.
argued with everybody around you, and then they told you don't do it, and go get your lawyer, and then you got on the boat, and then you were talking to the three girls, to tell them that they didn't give anything. Yeah, no, that's where they were talking about.
I did not say I was going to get a lawyer.
I didn't say you did, she did.
Okay, did I say that?
No, she was telling you to do it. Don't do anything he tells you to do. No, I didn't. I did not. I didn't. Sit down. Sit down.
I did not get a
Sit
lawyer.
down.
Okay,
Sit down. I know you didn't get
Did I say I was going to get a
I
lawyer?
didn't say that. I said that they were telling you to get a lawyer,
All I'm asking, you asked me to get my ID.
and you didn't.
What did I do?
You did
Go
not.
on the boat, right?
Mm-hmm.
I asked her
But you
where
didn't.
she put my purse.
You didn't reach for your.
give you
You didn't
my
get
ID.
your purse. You did not get your purse until I got on the boat, and then you went to a bag.
Because
There's
I
a
did
difference.
not know where she put my purse.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay.
It took like what, 2 minutes?
2 minutes too long.
Don't let anybody get their ID. I'll show you proof. Okay. That's great.
I appreciate you.
So they expect your ID in fucking 2 seconds.
Yes.
So you know, have your fucking wallet right here.
Yes.
I mean, Jesus Christ. Everybody's out at the sandbar. Where's your ID?
In my wallet.
Okay, is it gonna 2 minutes to pull it out? Really? Seriously?
2 seconds.
Okay. And you catch me on the sandbar.
I was on the
Not
sandbar
even-
too. I still
not
have
even
it.
on my boat. Seriously though.
Seriously,
I mean,
though.
Really?
Yes.
I couldn't
All right,
even
we're gonna sit up a little bit. You might want to sit on your butts because I don't want you to bounce on your knees and hurt yourself. You're more than welcome to stay like that, but you're responsible for your own behavior.
The deputy hands McDougal and Venotti over to another officer who will transport them to jail.
Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time. First. And this is her hat. And then I'll meet you at the jail.
As the women were led to a police car, bystanders took the opportunity to make a joke with a well-known song.
I'm just scared. We're gonna go down to these cars.
While McDougal is indignant that she's been arrested, she remains calm in the squad car. But Venotti is now panicking.
So I really have no clue what happened. Nothing like that. Once you get there, once you...
I can tell you honestly, he didn't give us any insight on why he handcuffed us. All he did was ask my ID, and I went over there and tried to give it to him, and then he came home with handcuffs.
I don't know his reasoning. I don't know what's happening. So let's he should be
I
able.
tried to get my ID for him, and all that happened was that he came over and told me I was under arrest.
Yeah.
That was pretty much it. So I have no idea.
He should be. He'll explain it when he gets there, because he's the one that's gonna do everything.
So what's happening now?
I'm driving you to the sheriff's office. You'll get booked in, and he'll do all the paperwork. They will explain it to you. I don't know. Again, I don't know what happened. I have no clue what happened. Okay?
I've never even looked at my I know, but I'm a trauma ICU nurse and you have no idea how much I have to lose. Like, please. I'm adopting a child. Like, you have no idea. I did not do anything wrong. Like, I swear to God. You have no idea. I would tell you if I did something. Oh my God. We're not bad people. Like, to arrest people that are bad people. Like, people that are not doing anything wrong. Like, come on, get a life. Like, do something better for yourself.
It's their job. If they think that
Understand?
yeah, but if they think that they see something,
It's like my job.
yeah, understandable. But at the same sense, to not give somebody the time something, you can go ahead and do something.
And I can just be so rude and be like, I don't understand why you got so mad.
Again, I don't know what happened. I wasn't there,
I
okay?
have no idea why he got so mad at you for no reason.
Because I was trying to get my ID.
Because he just said he didn't like
It took
that.
too long. It took too long.
It's like
He wanted me to have it right in my
to take my picture and arrest me and make me look like that. But we're like, I'm not a good person. Like,
McDougal was charged with giving an alcoholic beverage to a person under 21 and resisting an officer without violence. Venotti was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Both have entered not guilty pleas, and their next court hearings are scheduled for October. So we're going to get back to After Hours in just a second, but I want to thank Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this episode of After Hours. These people on this body cam of After Hours, it shows you how scary and unpredictable the world can be. And let's say, unfortunately, if you're ever injured or if you've ever been injured, you can turn to Morgan & Morgan. They're America's largest personal injury firm with over 1,000 attorneys. How did they get 1,000 attorneys, you might be wondering? It's a great question. Because they win a lot. In the past few months, for example, Morgan & Morgan saw verdicts of $12.2 million in Florida, $26 million in PA, and $6.8 million in New York. So if you're ever injured and you want to submit a claim and see how much it could be worth, you can do so in 8 clicks or less. They've totally modernized the personal injury process. You can do it on your phone. So to submit a claim, all you have to do is go to forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and in the pinned comments. The next story comes at the end of spring break in 2021 when passengers at Orlando International Airport were delayed for hours thanks to bad weather.
I want to have a good spring break.
There you go.
An Orlando officer was called to the gate for a Southwest flight as rowdy and unhappy passengers crowded the employees scanning their boarding passes.
I need everyone to take a step back. Last time, please. Take a step back, please. Respect the other person's space. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please step away from the door. Please give them some space. Step away from the door. Thank you. Give them some space.
So everybody just woosah.
Are we good here?
Woosah.
Are we good here?
Yes.
Okay, thank
I think as long as I'm between you guys and them, we'll be okay.
We're all annoyed. Our flight was at 11 o'clock. 11.
I know. Crazy day. Lots of weather.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's not
I know.
your fault. We just all want to get home.
Frustrating for everyone. They're on their last fuse. You guys are fed
But
up.
they're getting paid for this. We're not. So chill out.
It is true. It is true.
The officer monitors the situation as passengers board the plane, but one of the last people left in the gate area, Chelsea Alston, is denied boarding.
Taking all remaining passengers going to the body guys on the horses.
Like that, y'all. I don't want no beef. I'm just trying to go home and enjoy myself. I'm trying to go home.
See that?
But I've been here for hours.
Yeah, it happens.
I was drinking. I've been here for hours.
Yeah, bad weather. Gotta do something, right?
I don't know what we're going to blame it on, but
Oh, watch out with your whip there.
is it my time, miss? And should I just throw this back right now?
Chelsea, here's the problem though. You've been drinking, hon. Yeah. Come on
How
over.
many hours have I been waiting?
I don't know how many hours have you been waiting.
You know the difference between an hour and my flight. You see it with your hand.
My family's
on the flight too. Right, my family on the flight.
together?
Yeah, my family, and that's one of the people I was talking to the whole time I'm waiting. My family's on the flight.
So how long have you been drinking?
For like 2 hours.
Well, that's the problem. I can't put you on a plane intoxicated. You know that, right?
I don't know that, but if you're going to hold me back, I've been being held back this whole time. I'm not going to distract nobody. I'm just going to go home. I want to go home.
I know,
I've
but
been waiting this whole time.
for the safety of the flight, you cannot go.
I've been drinking for like 30 minutes. I'm not that drunk. But I want to get home.
I know. It's not
That's
gonna
all. That's the only reason why I was drinking. I've never been drinking. My husband and their kid. I gotta stay behind.
This is on the flight. Can I get a name so we can pay Cheryl quick?
It's like you telling me how I feel? You didn't give me a breathalyzer or nothing. How could you tell me how I feel?
Now, there's things that we're looking out for.
Carlos Ramirez. Please need to hide.
I want to go home. I already been delayed for hours. Like, I just want to go home. Yes. I would have never been over there. I just want to go home. Like, honestly.
To Tinka?
Tinker. They telling me I can't get on the flight because I'm drunk, but they never breathalyzed me. But they never breathalyzed me, so they don't know how I feel.
Last name's Olsen?
That's a lawsuit. They can't tell me how I feel.
Austin.
So how you gonna tell me how I feel? You can't tell me that I'm drunk.
Miss Austin, listen.
Conversating with people.
Unfortunately, they could deny you the flight. All right, you are intoxicated because you're visibly intoxicated. Okay.
How?
So
I'm not like this. Like how? Tinker, they telling me that I can't get on the flight.
Yeah, it's their decision. So there's really like I don't want to get into it, you know.
It's like y'all hold us back. What else are you gonna do? They gonna tell me I can't go? That's my battery.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's their policy. You just can't be that intoxicated when you fly in a plane, okay?
I'm not that intoxicated.
Well, according to them, they are. So they made that decision. Okay.
The amount of time I only had 2 drinks.
I gotcha.
So how could you decide I didn't only have 2 drinks?
Well, if you're a parent, you get pretty intoxicated off 2 drinks then. So, like I said, visibly.
How I feel?
It's not about how you feel. It's about how you appear with the level of intoxication.
How am I appearing?
So, well, you're kind of swaying back and forth. Your eyes are glassy.
Communicating?
The alcohol is like emitting from you. You can tell you've been drinking for a while, okay?
You like that because I have the cup in my hand. That's not in my body.
No, even if you're without the cup, we can kind of tell, you know?
Alston, who's trying to get home to New York, is not happy about having to stay behind. She says she's been in the airport since 10 a.m., so about 8 hours, and she had no choice but to drink at the bar near the gate.
Is your sister going to stay with you? Can you call her real quick for me?
She's already on the flight.
Well, I don't want you to be alone.
And she already hung up. You want me to be alone because she hung up you and not let me on my flight. So there's nothing that stopped me from being on my flight, man.
Miss Austin, listen.
There's nothing that stopped me from being on my flight.
Let's calm down.
I'm sober enough to be on my flight.
Calm down.
You're being denied boarding. I'm sorry.
How? This is my first time talking to you. I didn't say nothing disrespectful to you.
No, you were.
Why you feel like it's not okay for me to get on my flight?
You're a very nice young lady.
So why do you feel like it's not okay for me to get on my flight?
Because you're under the influence of alcohol. Once I know that and I'm made aware, you admitted to me that you have been drinking.
That's not fair.
Listen.
And the fact that you had me seeing people all these hours is not
No
fair.
one's holding anything against you personally. It's just you're just a little too intoxicated. That's all.
It's personal. I'm not intoxicated. I want to go home.
It's not personal though. It's their policies.
And you cannot tell me that if you didn't breathalyze me. So
Right.
this is a lawsuit. Like what?
They tried to get you to calm down. I was standing there all the time.
So we're gonna refund her ticket, and she's denied.
I don't want
I got you.
I just want to go home. How y'all gonna do that?
All right, Chelsea. Here's what's gonna happen. They're giving you your money back. Okay, you don't have to do anything. They're gonna do that on their end. But to get you a flight now, you have to get back on the tram and head back to the terminal.
Why would y'all do that to me? I didn't do nothing to nobody. That's not fair. I didn't do nothing to y'all. Why would y'all do that? The only reason why I was drinking is my flight was delayed and I just didn't want to be mad. But y'all making me mad right now. I didn't want to be mad. That's why I was drinking. I didn't want to be mad.
I understand, Chelsea.
I didn't want to be mad. That's the point. But y'all making me mad. That's what y'all doing. That's what I was trying to stay away from. But
Okay.
I had no other choice because that's what the flight said. But look how y'all treat me right now. It's not fair.
Okay. All right, Chelsea. So are you gonna go back to the terminal?
I don't know if I'm supposed to be going home.
You have to get another ticket.
Alston calls her sister, who's already on the plane.
They told me I can't get on the flight, babe. But they just made me sit. They just made me sit on here for hours. That was what I wanted to do. My sister was so good.
Sure.
Man, don't give a I'm not even that drunk.
Hi, Tanya. This is Officer Ramona for Orlando Police Department.
I only was drinking because y'all had me sing. Y'all forced me to sing it. That's not fair.
Yeah, I figured as much.
I want to go and I'm playing all these niggas. Like, that's not fair. I want to go.
Right, Tanya. I understand that.
I was visibly on my way.
Okay, so So Tanya, let me explain. Let's just explain to you. So I work for the Orlando Police Department. I am not a representative of Southwest Airlines, but they've made the decision to not let her fly. And so now all she has to do is she just has to go back to the terminal, let time kind of sober her up a little bit, and then she can book the next flight to LaGuardia with any airline she wants but Southwest.
So she can book another flight.
That's right, but the only problem is she's like a little like disorderly kind of right now, and she doesn't want to just go to the terminal. If you could try to get her to just go to the terminal, she could kind of sober up and then get a flight with any other airline. And they're going to refund her the money.
They gonna refund her the money?
Yes, I think they already did. So all she has to do is go to the terminal.
All right, let me speak to her.
All right, here you go. It's your sister. She wants to talk to you. Here, let her sister do it. See her sister. Calm down. Sweet. She got the money. She's got to get another flight. That's it.
Eventually, Alston takes off on her suitcase, which it turns out is motorized. The officer follows behind on his bicycle to make sure she heads for the terminal.
I've been saying for hours. That's not fair.
Just can you listen to what your sister's saying? We need you to go to the terminal. See?
Suck my. Oh, I can suck my.
Okay, Chelsea. Just go to the terminal.
Yo, I don't give
Okay. I'll help see her out. You guys are good. We got almost the whole plan on. Yeah, no problem, guys. Oh man, that thing kind of goes fast. I think I'm faster, but we'll see. Just another day. Totally normal. Gonna have a bike pursuing a suitcase in a minute. It's gonna be crazy. Have a good one. Normal day. Totally normal.
The officer then catches up to Alston on the airport's tram, where she's still claiming how unfair the situation is. He convinces her to get off the tram, but then things grind to a halt.
Chelsea, can you do me a favor? Can you roll with me to the main terminal? You can't hang out here. It's a secured area.
you leave me alone as a regular person?
Yes, I will. Chelsea, I want to leave you alone. I just need you.
I'm trying to fix something out with my family. Here's my cannot help you. So
Chelsea, I just need you to get on the other side of TSA.
Hello. Now, they not a guy that's following me around trying to ball me.
Chelsea, I will just leave you alone.
Antagonizing me, trying to ball me.
Yeah, follow me.
For what though?
Follow me, Chelsea. We'll roll out together.
You said I need to follow you or not?
Chelsea, I'll race you. Chelsea, let's just roll our little wheels to the other side of TSA, okay? Because this is a secured area. I gotta have you on the other side of TSA, and then I promise you I will leave you alone. Chelsea, let me explain something to you. I'm a representative of the Orlando Police Department, and I have been nothing polite and professional with you.
I'm on a
Chelsea, Chelsea, look at me. Chelsea, look at me. Chelsea, look at me. Thank you. Keep scooting.
My legs don't work. You can't make me walk. So I'm gonna stand and
Chelsea, do you want to get arrested? Chelsea. Chelsea, if this continues, you will be arrested for disorderly conduct. Chelsea. Look at me. Chelsea, look at me. Chelsea, I will arrest you, Chelsea. I do not want to, but I will arrest you.
If you arrest me for the wrong reason, you will get sued.
It's not for no reason. You have already violated the city ordinance of disorderly conduct. You have talked in a tumultuous manner towards the public. You have caused multiple disturbances, and now you are refusing to leave a secured area of the Orlando International Airport. Chelsea, you will be arrested if you do not leave. Thank you.
A random man passing through the airport sees the situation might be escalating, and he tries to get a read on why Austin's so upset. But she's not having it, and the officer's patience finally runs out.
Sometimes you gotta listen, man. Because right now... Hey, bro, I wasn't doing nothing wrong.
Chelsea, things are escalating. I don't want things to escalate.
No issue. I have no issue with Listen.
This man's really trying to help you, Chelsea. We're all trying to help you, as a matter of fact. Yes.
Oh, and I'm the wolf. I'm taking my train. Are you just...
She's gonna.
They want me out.
Yeah, but she's also got to calm down if she starts causing problems with other passengers.
Listen up. That's not gonna help the situation. You trying to get I was supposed to be home by now. Okay, listen. So condone. Are you trying to get done? I spent over $200 in that.
I appreciate it, sir, but some people are just no people.
Chelsea. Chelsea, thank you.
Did you spit at me? She's done. She's done. She spit at me. Chelsea, you are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back now. Chelsea, you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back now. Do not resist. Do not resist. That man tried his hardest to help you, and you just completely insulted him. Why?
I want to go and be on my own. Let's figure it out on my own. Is he going to arrest me?
Chelsea, how's this going to help your situation now? This is not going to help your situation.
Can you let me go? Can I stay here regularly and walk?
We can't let go, ma'am. Sorry. We tried. We did our best.
I was walking my uses that because I ain't doing nothing.
I see. It's all recorded, so if you want your and then you can reflect. Stop spitting. Do not spit.
I only
Do you
spit
understand?
one time.
Do not.
I only spit one time.
187 go cop.
I spit one time. I'm not doing it again.
Yeah, she spit at me again.
I ain't doing it again. I'll spit if you're gonna violate me.
Stop. Stop.
My mask on. So my mask on. What you gonna do to me now? You violated. My mask on. What you gonna do to me now?
Pick he up. Yeah, he did. Watch out. I got her.
Where y'all taking me and leaving my over there? Get my
187 go com. Do we have ARF come with a spit mask? We're going to be at the east checkpoint. You had a city ordinance violation. You escalated it to a felony.
I was walking away. You grabbed me. You grabbed me. I was walking away. Going about my business. You grabbed me. You told me I couldn't get him in the fight. You grabbed me.
Stop pushing. Stop resisting. Well, if you didn't spit on my face, you would not be stuck in this position. You wouldn't be stuck in the corner.
I just want to make sure I'm okay, because I felt the same way when I didn't spit. So there's no difference to me. You saying that, it was no difference. I felt the same way when I did. I'm just trying to fix my arms. I don't want cuts.
Ma'am, stop. Stop resisting. Just face away from me. No, the handcuffs are not getting any looser.
You're making it seem like I'm doing something. I'm not. I'm making sure I'm comfortable.
You just spit in my eye.
Right, but you violating me.
Nope.
As the officer awaits backup, Austin's sister suddenly appears.
I'm telling you my own truth.
Stop kicking me.
My arms hurt. My arms hurt. My arms hurt.
What's that? I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I came all the way from my
You came from the plane?
No, I'm not leave tonight.
Well, do me a favor. Just get back like 10 feet for me. You can stay here. Just get back 10 feet. So let me explain to you what's happening. So all that we needed to do was just for her to calm down and to leave. Stop. Stop. So.
My arms hurt right now.
Sure.
I wasn't. They were arresting me and I wasn't, man. My arms hurt.
Sorry. She's under arrest. Nothing's going to change it.
I understand why she's upset because she's been here since 10 o'clock.
I think it's mainly due because she's a little intoxicated. Yeah.
But 2 drinks, and that's what you call intoxicated.
Oh yeah, that's definitely what I call intoxicated, ma'am.
Come on, sir.
I mean, she spit in my face. So I mean, there's nothing we could do after that point. So.
She's been here since 10 o'clock.
That's no excuse to act the way everyone's been delayed today, and she's the only person who has acted this way in the airport. There's no excuse for her acts.
If she comes down, you gonna let her go?
Absolutely not. She's under arrest.
My arms hurt, Nate. They making my arms hurt. I didn't do nothing, Nate. I ain't disrespectful.
No, ma'am. It's not getting looser. And with all due respect, our conversation with you is done. You have to leave the scene. Thank you.
So leave, Nate. They want to try to arrest me too.
She's under arrest. There's nothing I do to help her. Ma'am, stop it. Stop it. No. Her property's going with her. It'll stay with her. It's not going anywhere. It's going with her. Ma'am, I'm going to write a police report. All my information will be it. Now is not really the best time. She'll have a copy of the arrest affidavit. I'll have all my information. Her property will be with her.
Alston continues to insist that she did nothing wrong and never resisted the officer.
Is she hitting her head? Nope. Nope. Stop. 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 Calm down.
If the officer expected Alston to have calmed down by the time they reached the jail, he was certainly wrong.
Ma'am, stop ripping apart the car. Stop ripping apart the car. Stop ripping apart the car. Ma'am, don't rip apart the car. You just got an additional charge for destruction of property. You need to stop. You need to stop ripping the car. She just destroyed my headliner and spit all over the window. Now destruction of property too, but assault LAO, battery LAO, and disorderly.
In March 2022, when she was supposed to go to trial on felony charges of battering a law enforcement officer and criminal mischief, Alston didn't show up for court. A warrant was issued and she was rearrested. When Florida prosecutors offered Alston a plea deal, she took it. She entered a no-contest plea to misdemeanor charges of battery and criminal mischief. In exchange, prosecutors dropped the felony charges of battery on an officer and criminal mischief causing more than $1,000 in damage to the patrol car. A judge sentenced Alston to 50 days in jail, which she had previously served after her arrest, and put her on supervised probation for a year. She also had to pay more than $1,000 for the damaged patrol car, complete an anger management program, and perform 75 hours of community service. Next, we're in Daytona Beach. It's March 2024, and this couple's visiting from Georgia. They brought 2 children with them on their vacation. But as the couple naps on the beach, the children are suddenly nowhere to be seen.
What's up, guys? Sheriff's Office. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Hey, guys. Yep, time to wake up, guys. Hey. Hey. The Sheriff's Office, wake up. Need to sit up. Come on, get up. Wake up. Welcome back. Sit up. Why can't have alcohol on the beach? You got ID? Do you have ID?
ID or different my ID or yours.
You guys have children with you?
Give him my ID or give him yours.
Are they with you?
Hey, your kids with you?
Yes.
Where are they at? Hey,
where are you?
Your kids.
Right there.
One here and then one here.
Where's your ID? I don't have mine. So give him your ID. That's what he wants, your ID. Are they right here? What's in here?
Hey, where are they? Where are
Go get the kids. I got this. I'll do it. If you go.
Here, I'll go with him. Tell me where your kids are.
Nice name.
How old are they?
7 to 8.
Boys, girls, boy and a girl?
Boy and a girl.
Okay, you don't know where they are?
Right at the beach. Right at the pool.
When deputies tell Timothy Stevens and his fiancée Alyssa Langley that they're going to jail, Langley's suddenly very concerned for the children's safety.
Yeah, leave everything else on the beach. You passed out. You're supposed to be watching over the kids. So, put it on speaker. Put the phone up there.
I'm trying.
What happened to your hand?
It's work.
Work?
Yeah. Some people wouldn't know about it.
It's not very nice.
I don't care.
I need you to come get the kids. Me and Timothy are both being arrested.
Is somebody able to come get the kids?
Come get the kids.
Why
Me
am I
and
being
Timothy
arrested?
are both being arrested.
Alcohol on the beach and child neglect.
Can you tell him where we're at? Can you tell him where we're at?
So we're not allowed to have any beer at the beach?
It's illegal.
Huh?
It's illegal to have alcohol on the beach.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought it was not glass.
Nope, glass is not allowed, but neither is
Can
alcohol.
you please give
Because what happens is people get drunk and then they'll drown in the ocean.
I only had like 2 beers.
2 is still illegal.
2 is still illegal? 2 is still illegal.
No, the cops here are This lady is the only person that's been nice. Him, everybody else has been. So now we both go to jail. Who the is gonna bond us out?
No one.
Exactly. Now my grandpa has to drive 8 hours to get the kids. No, I wanna listen to what my grandpa has to say. I wanna make sure my kids are taken care of.
We can roll down the window.
I'm sorry, but
we can roll down the window.
and him, I don't trust them. No.
In the truck. She said in the truck.
Can you just wait?
You can roll down the window.
Just wait. I want to make sure my kids.
We're gonna make sure they're taken care of.
Okay, so tell him to come over here and let me listen to what my grandpa's saying.
He's writing down a message right now.
And I can't hear nothing.
In the truck.
I'm telling you to get in the truck, and I'd like you to get in yourself. And so that's
I want
you
to
get in
make
the
sure
truck.
my
I've been
kids.
trying to work with you this whole
please.
time.
Where are my kids?
To the Family Resource Center. So they're going to take care of them. They'll feed them. They'll clothe them. And they'll be comfortably waiting until your was it father or grandfather arrives. Okay? I need you to get in the truck.
Then Stevens decides to make a decision that will get him in even bigger trouble. Stevens was knocked unconscious when he fell, and deputies had him transported to a hospital, then to jail. Both Stevens and Langley were booked on child neglect charges. Stevens was also charged with possession of alcohol on the beach and escape. Now we're heading to Smyrna Beach, Florida in March 2024. There's a crowd of spring breakers at the beach, and deputies are keeping an eye on things. Suddenly, a teenager pulls out a gun. The sheriff's office put together a video showing what happened from multiple angles.
Because if we come back, you're gonna get. Hey, we got a fight over there. We got a gun. There's a gun on the beach. Hey, drop the gun! Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, man!
Tower 409. 409. Tower 409. John, watch your cover. You want me to get a car, Sergeant? You want me to get a car over here? Have a car. I need to block off Flagler. I need some marked units. Getting these people out of here. Hey, wait! You may have another gun. Do not advance. Do not advance. 1 Alpha 10 Central. Air 1. I need a K9. I need units to clear the beach. He threw one gun in the water. I don't know if he has another one. Hey! New Smyrna! Cover! Cover, grab your rifle.
The teen suspect ran into the ocean, but there was only so far he could go.
Show me your hands! Walk towards me! Walk towards me! Hey! Hey! Stop! Turn around!
Stop where you are. Turn around. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Walk back towards me slowly.
We have compliance. He's taking verbal command. Stand by.
Keep walking. Stop right there. Stop. Keep your hands in the air. Drop your phone. Drop your phone. Turn around. Back away. Keep your hands up!
The suspect, who deputies identified as 16-year-old Felixander Solas Guzman, dropped the gun and a bag he was holding into the water.
Drop your knees. Drop your knees. Put your hands on top of your head. Drop your knees.
Back up! Back up! Everybody back up! 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 Jenkins! Hey, watch that black bag that he's dropped in there.
Solas Guzman surrendered, and fortunately no one got hurt. Deputies say inside the black bag were 20 small plastic bags of marijuana. When he was taken into custody, deputies discovered that Solas Guzman had 7 active warrants. He was originally taken to a juvenile detention center, but prosecutors decided to charge the 16-year-old as an adult. Solas Guzman faces multiple felony charges, including possession of a firearm during commission of a felony, aggravated assault on law enforcement with a firearm, resisting an officer with violence, and tampering with evidence. He's due back in court in June. We end today's After Hours in Fort Lauderdale. That's where a Division I college basketball player faced charges for allegedly punching a police officer back in 2023. Deshaun Eikens played for California State University Northridge's basketball team, but during spring break, he became an inmate at the local jail. Body camera video shows Eikens get into a physical argument with someone else at the bar before an officer escorts him outside. That's when he allegedly punches the cop.
Yo, that don't touch me. Yo, who did that? Who did that? No, hey, what did I do? You hit me in the face. Who hit you in the face? You did. What are you talking about? Oh, he's throwing at the cop. He hit me in the face. Yo, can y'all back me up, please? I didn't hit that in the face. He did not hit you. You're holding him down and he can say you hit me in the face.
Eventually, the 22-year-old was arrested and put in the back of the squad car. Eikens was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest with violence. An update on his court status was not available at the time of this recording. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law&Crime After Hours is written and produced by Savannah Williamson. Video editing is done by the Mikey Deininger. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
Chelsea, I'll race you.
Suck my